Happy Tuesday, everybody. Today is the 1st of June 2021. I hope you are enjoying the sunshine in the UK, and I hope the summer is here to stay. This week's plan remained little changes from last week. I still have zero interest on the Forex market. Short term, I want to be long on S&P 500 or other US indices. Currently, I have a long position on S&P 500, which I'm happy to let it run to around 4,300 area. In terms of the crypto market, I know it hasn't been doing too much the last 2 weeks. We had a big drop. Now it's just range bound a little bit. I see it still as a great time to accumulate. The market may range bound for the next 5 or 6 weeks, but I still see the bullish move after the summertime. Cathie Wood recently done an interview with Bloomberg. She also thinks it's a great time to accumulate on crypto. Therefore, my plans remain unchanged on crypto, buying some and hold on to it until maybe end of the year to sell some. So let me get into the chart and show you what my plan is. Okay, this is the S&P 500 chart. You can see currently I have a few positions in there. I've already taken out some of the profit, so whatever happened in here, I'm just going to be in profit really. So as you can see, the target is, like I said, will be over 4,300. I am aiming around the 4,360, just under the monthly pivot R2 level. All right. If you're not long already, it's a good time to be long. It's dropping. You have to really drop down to a smaller time frame if you like to do that. We are seeing some bullish movement, trying to break out, the last Friday high, Thursday, Friday high. So yeah, if price continue to break higher, look for a small retracement to go long. The other indice that is in my interest at the moment is the Nasdaq. It's not as bullish as the S&P 500. However, it's on my list. When it breaks this 13,800 area, a little retest, the target probably, just around the last sort of daily high, around the 14,000 area. It's just short-term trade on that. That's pretty much it on the indice side of thing. Show you the FX market, why I have not much interest. This is the dollar index. As you can see, we have been range bound sideways movement since probably the middle of May. It's not doing an awful lot. Is it going to hold at this 89.60, 89.50 level, or are we going to break down to a lower level? We shall see. Okay, I have marked a level around just above the 88 area, coincide with the monthly S2. Yeah, you can see there's quite a few interaction around the 88, 70, 88, 60 area. So we shall see. But while prices remain range bound, honestly, I have not much interest on the FX market. You can see a few other pairs as well. Look at this, Aussie dollar against the US dollar, sideways. When prices remain sideways, I honestly have zero interest. Okay, I know a lot of traders will, I really need to look for a trade. You can't look for a trade. You have to let the trade come to you. If you force the market to do something, usually it end up the opposite. In fact, we are retail traders. We can't push the market anyway. Therefore, while this remains sideways, I have zero interest on that. Let's jump to the crypto space and see what are they doing. So last week we saw the commercial drop the long contract, increased it on the short contract, which caused the sell-off. Now, last week's data has turned again. The commercial has picked up on the long contract and dropping the short contract. Of course, I like to see the commercial continue long on the contract and dropping the short contract. That will support the price to go higher on Bitcoin. Let's have a quick look at the Bitcoin chart. So no surprise, the price is still hovering around the 30,000 area. Price may remain range bound around this area, but it would not surprise me if price drop below and come back to the 20,000 area. If it did, I'm more than happy to accumulate more around the 20 something thousand, because I'm confident that Bitcoin is here to stay. Let's have a look at another chart on Ethereum. Similar thing, we are a little bit of range bound around this area. Are we going to break through this 17,000-18,000 level and drop below to around the 1,000 area? We shall see. Price could just range bound around here. Like I said, it will not surprise me if breakthrough drop back down to the sub 1,000 area, which I'm more than happy to accumulate more around this area. So this is my plan for the week. Like I said, I'm not very eager to jump into market when it's not allowing me to do so. 80% of my time is being patient, wait for the right setup, and then get into a trade. So very nice to see you guys again. If you liked what we do, please subscribe and follow us. So until next week, happy trading, healthy investing. Thank you.